Have you ever downloaded an incredible image from an artificial intelligence generator or any other place, only to notice that the platform stamped a distracting watermark right near the bottom right corner, sometimes top or anywhere on the image? Dealing with unwanted branding can completely ruin the look of your pictures, but fortunately, you do not need complicated desktop software to fix it because you can easily remove it using native phone tools. In this case, as you can see, I have downloaded an image from an AI generator, and right near the bottom right button area, we have two watermarks of Gemini staring right back at us. To remove that unwanted text, all you need to do is open the image directly from your gallery, look toward the bottom of the image interface, and click on the pencil-like editing icon. Now, once the editor loads up, you will see an AI editor as the very first option from left to right if you happen to be using the Samsung editor. Sometimes it's called Photo Assist. Go ahead and click on it, and the system will instantly give you a powerful feature called AI Eraser. Now comes the magic part. Simply take your finger and draw a circle completely around each watermark that you want to remove. Once done, click on Erase button, and let go. The AI will do its stuff behind the scenes, seamlessly filling in the background pixels so that the branding vanishes entirely, leaving you ready to go. Click Done when it has completed processing to save a clean copy of your picture directly to your device. But remember, this built-in AI tool primarily removes the bold watermarks that are sitting right in the middle of your frame and that you cannot really crop out without ruining your composition. However, for transparency, Samsung also introduced its own small watermark positioned discreetly on the bottom left of the image. As you can see, that secondary stamp is always positioned in a clever way right on the edge. It's faintly written AI-generated content. This means you can easily crop the image just a tiny bit and now you won't have any watermark left at all. As you can see right on your screen, your image is now completely clean, professionally framed, and ready to be shared any way you like without any intrusive branding getting in the way.